Hi guys, check out this new Lamborghini Aventador I picked up. Picked up a bunch of really nice little cars. Let's get them out of the package. This one's made by Maisto and looked really nice in the packaging. It's got a nice orange, metallic orange color. And it does have the side view mirrors. A really nice looking Lamborghini. Let's take a look at that front end. Check it out. It has a really nice badge in the middle there, right on the top. Really nice lights. These are painted in. It does have a little spoiler in the front in black. And then we have the black vents. Blacked out wheels with really nice low profile tires. The engine sits back here. See some openings there, some little vents. Very nice. Here's the top view. The color looks great. And the side view. Here's the back end. Have the Lamborghini name on top. The whole back end is just painted over in orange. There are no extra colors for the lights. And not a lot of details for the exhaust, or not many details down here. It is marked Lamborghini Aventador LP 700-4. Maisto, made in China. And I guess you can go to markystoyworld.com to check out what they have available. This is pretty nice. A pretty nice looking cheap little car. These are $1. It does have like a little badge there. Can't make out what it says. On both sides, it has the same little badge there. Really nice lines right here. The glass is just all like plastic. You can't really see inside. We do have some indication of a windshield wiper there. And maybe another one there on the side. A couple of windshield wipers. It looks pretty nice if you're just gonna display them. Let me see. Does it roll? It does roll. I don't know how it'll do on a race because it feels pretty light. All plastic base. And this is all die-cast, but it doesn't feel like it's a really thick die-cast. I don't know. It just feels a little light to me. But check out the look of it. Is so beautiful. It looks really nice. I think it looks pretty cool. If you like a little variety in your collection, this is not bad. I know some of you will stick to Matchbox or stick to Hot Wheels. And I totally understand it. We all have our favorites. I like a little bit of everything as long as the casting is cool, you know. I think this one looks pretty cool. I'm not gonna mix it in with my Hot Wheels or Matchbox. I like to keep them separated, but you gotta keep them separated. Very cool. And then they had this green one. I had to grab this one too. A really nice Lamborghini. Let's unbox this one and see how it looks up close. Got something stuck on here. And there's a top view. Nice glossy green color. It's a really bright green color. There we go. It looks pretty neat. It's got some chrome wheels on it. Low profile tires, all plastic on the tires there. And the base is plastic. All the green is die-cast. All the green area. Looks pretty nice. It does have the mirrors on the sides, which is really, really cool. It's got a nice badge there, a nice Lamborghini badge. Got the vents painted in, the lights painted in. And on the back, we do have the lights painted in as well with the Lamborghini name. And this one does show a little exhaust on each side, 2 pipes on the bottom on each side. This looks pretty cool. Very nice, very nice, very nice. I like how it looks. It looks pretty good. These come a little bit dirty from the factory, I guess. But that looks pretty nice. Let's see how they look side by side. Wow, pretty cool. nice. Very nice. So this one's the Aventador, the orange. And this one is the Huracan. Lamborghini Huracan LP 610-4. And Maisto made in China. Pretty cool. Nice set of Lamborghinis. And I also picked up a red one. This one looks pretty nice. I already slit the top so I can get them out. This one has a plastic wing in the back. Lamborghini badge. Big windshield wiper there. Black plastic for the windows. Chrome wheels. Looks like 3 spokes. Pretty cool in chrome with a little round, a little ring around the edges. Little stripe there in chrome, and then a little black in between the spokes. This one's also made in China by Maisto or Maisto. Lamborghini. It just says Lamborghini, no other name. Just a plain Lamborghini. Pretty cool. They seem to roll okay. They roll actually really nice. Pretty fast. These plastic wheels work. So these are the 3 that I found. And I thought I have to have these. These are nice. I like to have some oddball cars in my collection. These look pretty cool. Only $1 each, so that's $3 right there to get brand new diecast cars in some nice colors, some really nice castings, some really nice exotic cars. They look pretty good. Pretty excited about these 3. What do you think, guys? Do you like the orange one, the green one, or the red one? And if you found these, would you just pass them up? Have you seen them already in stores and just passed them up? What do you think? How do you feel about these Lamborghinis? I think they would display pretty nicely if you just display them. And of course, people don't want to mix them in with their Hot Wheels, but you can have them in a Lamborghini collection of different kinds of Lamborghinis. There's so many ways to collect, so many different ways to collect. You can keep them in their packaging, display them with their package. I don't know if these would stand up. They're kind of like short cards. And let's see how they look. No, they don't stand up, but they do have, what is this back here? I think that's just to open it. And the back looks like this on the cards. And they have a copyright of 2017 here on the side. Pretty cool. I think I like how they look. Really nice colors, I gotta say. Orange, green, and the red. Looking pretty cool. All right, guys, so which one's your favorite? Take a vote or put in your votes in the comment boxes below. Let me know the orange one, the green, or the red. Pick a color. I know what you're talking about. Or if you want to call them Aventador, Huracan, and just Lamborghini. Very nice, very cool. So good, so good, so good. What a nice collection. Instant collection with $3, right? Awesome. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'm gonna have another video for you tomorrow, of course. And if you're new here, don't forget, subscribe to the channel. And if you like this video, you had a little fun, hit the like button. I'll see you guys in the next video.